This is Atlanta Keytex locksmith. Today we're working on 2001 Volvo S80. Customer lost the key and they replaced the ignition and set in to call the locksmith to make a new key. So they replaced the ignition and they think when they replace the ignition the car start. But not. The car won't start because the key need to be programmed. Volvo is 2001 to 2000, 1999. Let's say 2000 and up. All those keys need to be programmed. And program that key is not cheap. That's why people they try to do anything. Okay, I just gotta show you. I hope this vehicle, everything going okay this vehicle, because as you can see right there, you can see they replaced the ignition and they cut the wire, then they put it together. So what I gotta do now is this is a little $1 ignition switch tester. I gotta put the key right here in the ignition, and I'm going to put this right here, and you see that's I don't know, you can see that's LED light. Where I turn the key, it should be turned on. See, it's turning. So that means the ignition got power and should program okay. See? So with this tool, I'm able to check in if I got a power in the ignition. If this light don't come on, so I'll stop and I don't do anything, because the subscription for Volvo is around $130, $120. Then you have to pay for the software. Let's say it's around $50. So you pay just for program the key, you have to pay around $200. And customer going to pay around $350. This key just program the key or all key load, because I had to make new key. This key, let's say, costs around $350 on Volvo. That key is expensive compared to other car. Now I'm here with the Volvo software. I'm reading out the vehicle. You can see. Okay, now this going inside the same module. This going inside to the module where I'm able to program the key. It's 1 minute for logging. Let's say logging. We gotta wait 1 minute. Okay, 4 seconds. Okay, as you can see, they got 4 keys on memory. Okay, so what I gotta do right now, because they lost the whole key and they replaced the ignition, I'm going to remove the keys. I'm going to erase all keys. Now I got 0 keys. Okay, now I'm going to program my own key, 1 key, and you can see right there. I'm going to start programming. Now you can see it's 1 key on memory. So now the vehicle should start. Let's try. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it on and try. Wow, it's cranking, but it won't start. So, but it's cranking. With the before, it won't crank. And you can see the video. I already add the key. Maybe the gas is too low. You can see. All right, let's finish the programming. As you can see, 1 key on memory, so I can't lie. So it's right there. You can see. Exit and finish. Let's go get something for right. Let me get my pot. Oh yeah. You can see right there, it's ready. Let me remove this computer. And let's try. I'm gonna push the gas, okay? You can see. It won't start. It won't start, but the key is ready. You can see the key is ready. The battery going down, my jump box is going down, but as you can see, it was 4 keys on memory, and then I erased the keys, 0 keys, and then I programmed 1 key, so in memory is 1 key. So my job is done. The shop right here, they need to check in what happened. My job is come to program the key, okay? All right, thank you for watching. Or you can call me, you need this service for Volvo, you can call me to 678-675-3785. 678-675-3785. Thank you for watching. My name is Roberto.